There's a simple way you can make affiliate commissions just by helping small businesses. I'm going to share with you an easy to use sales template that you can download right now. See, many small businesses are screaming out for more customers, and this is why using these simple 2-page sites or sales funnels are an effective way to help them. Once set up, it can be built to over $4,000 in passive income for you on the back end. So stick around for the entire video where I'll show you how to download those templates for free that you can use right now. But let's dive right into the training. Now, please note that this is a professional training. Sit tight, relax, take notes, and feel free to watch this video over again.
All right, so now we're going to get to a section where you can actually go ahead and get these funnels already done for you. Very simple and straightforward. So you've got to make sure you have got your ClickFunnels account. So if you don't, go back to the first video. There'll be a button there. Get your ClickFunnels account started, and then we can go for it. So we're going to go over to the local business done for you and the instant downloads. And this is the video that you'll be watching right now. Obviously, I'm just recording it. And each one of these has a funnel attached to it that's already done and good to go. So if I just right click that and open a new thing, that's going to take us over to ClickFunnels itself. Say, hey, do you want to actually upload this? If you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet, then obviously when you do this, I'm just going to show you what it looks like if you don't. So if you're not logged in, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to, oh, hey, do you want to get hold of this? Blah, 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 blah. Right, okay, so that is how that works. So we're going to go in. Oh, gosh, where are we? We were here. There we go. We're going to add that funnel. I'll let that download into your account, and then you're going to go ahead and get this loaded up. Super excited. And it's not that difficult to change either as well, because a lot of times there's images on there that you just want to change up so that it reflects the business that you're using. So, you know, in all intents and purposes, you could use the same funnel for everything, but it's always nice to have some sort of template there that you can work off. So I'm just waiting for that to load. I'm going to go ahead and view the funnel, wait for this to load, and then we're going to go and edit the page. So we're going to take a look and see what this looks like. So this is going for this special offer at the moment is for a birthday dinner, if that's what you want. That's just fine. Shows where it is. So if you click on that part there, then that is just actually like a little screenshot, so you can remove that if you want. And this should open the pop-up. Let's have a look. And it's got all that cool stuff. So we're sending them a voucher. So this is basically for a restaurant. Now, if you wanted to put a background on there, then you're going to go to settings, going to go to background, and then we're going to go to image, and we're going to go into let's find restaurant. I cannot spell for toffee, so you'll have to excuse me because I'm useless at this sort of thing. Okay, that's a pretty one. Or maybe we go for that one. That looks good too. Yeah, we'll go for that. So we're going to put that one in, and then we're going to take a look and see what that looks like. Yep, we like that. Then you've got this really cool background in the background, which looks nice, right? So we'll preview the site. Then it's got this cool background on there. Hopefully, if it decides it wants to load. Ah, come on, it's not loading for me. Why aren't you loading? Is it because I didn't save it? It could be because I didn't save it. Yep, well done. Always make sure you save your work. Very important. Oh my god, I'm so terrible. Okay, right. Oh, there we go. There we go. I mean, the image itself isn't great. It's a little bit pixelated, but you know, once you squeeze it down onto mobile, it looks great. Or you could just ask for, like I said, a high-res picture. Now, sometimes you get this little made with ClickFunnels button on the bottom there. You may or may not want to keep that. If you don't want to keep it, I'm just going to scroll this back into your window so you can see it. You're going to go down to General, and then across here, Affiliate Badge. You can either show it or hide it. It's up to you what you do with that. I mean, most of my funnels, I don't actually show it, but that's personal. But if someone does go on the site and they think, oh, that looks quite a nice site, how was that made? And believe you me, people do this as well. I've done it before when I've been on a site and it's got like a made with something, and I'll just go ahead and click that button, and that will actually take people to your affiliate link for them to sign up through ClickFunnels as well. So for the principles that we're doing now. Maybe you want to keep it, maybe you don't. It's totally up to you. But anyway, so that is just how to actually get the funnels into your ClickFunnels account. And like I said, as far as editing goes, editing is really simple. You can just hover over anything like this, change the text up as you want. You can change the colors on here as well. So if you click on that little dial there, it will show you all the different color palettes you can go for. Change it out to red, or you can change this out for, I mean, that looks a bit dull right there, so maybe we'll change that to white. There we go, that pops a little bit more. And maybe have maybe bold that up so it does look a little different to that bit there. And yeah, it looks all good. And obviously sometimes it's good to have the details of the business at the bottom there as well, or you could just remove it, or you could add a disclaimer for Facebook. It's entirely up to you. But anyway, so this is the sort of like little funnels that you can get hold of. Very simple, very straightforward. And yeah, we can just hit save on that one, so that's good to go.
Now, as I mentioned from the start, the download links are right below in the description of this video. It's also part of a larger training where I'll go through the entire process start to finish, so make sure you get plugged in by watching this next. If you have any questions, then drop them in the comments section. Subscribe and like this video so we can share it to more people.